How to insert and remove page breaks in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add and remove any page breaks in MS Excel. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply select any cell that you want, and then the next thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this page layout tab. Once you'll click onto this page layout tab, you can see that under the page setup you can see this option of breaks. So simply click onto this breaks option, and in order to add a page break you need to simply click onto this insert page break button. So once you will click onto this insert page break, you can see that a page break has been just added above this particular cell as represented by this line right here. So you can add multiple page breaks according to your particular wish. So for example, if you want to add a page break after this line, that is the September cell, then you can again click onto this breaks option and click onto this insert page break, and here you can see that another page break has been added successfully. Now let me show you how you can remove these manually added page breaks. So in order to remove the manually added page breaks, the steps are almost same. So after you are inside the page layout tab, you need to click onto this breaks button, and then from here you can click onto this remove page break. Once you will click onto this remove page break, you also need to make sure that before clicking you are at the correct specified position. Now if you will do this, you can click here, and from here you can click onto this remove page break, and you can notice that the page break has been removed. Let me quickly undo this and let me show you how you can remove all of the page breaks that you have added manually. So in order to remove all of the manually added page breaks, you can simply click onto this breaks option and click onto this reset all page breaks. Once you click onto this reset all page breaks, you can notice that the manually added page breaks have been successfully removed from our Excel document. So that's how easily you can remove the page breaks and add them as well in your MS Excel workbook. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.